Michael Jordan once said, "You must expect great things of yourself before you can do them." So my question to you is, do you? Hi, my name is Jennifer Crow, and I'm here to help you discover the full potential PowerPoint has to offer. I'm going to show you how to streamline your presentations, how to properly lay out a presentation so people will want to be there instead of having to be there. I'll also show you how to give an elegant and effective presentation. So let's just jump right on in and get to it. The first thing you must do is debulk your presentation. PowerPoint is a tool you use, but it is not the presentation itself. You are the presentation. Your slides should be as simple as possible to get maximum effect, and you should only use the essential details needed to emphasize what you're saying. You don't want to overwhelm your audience with needless information and visuals. You want them leaving remembering what you had to say and not questioning why they were there and what's up with those funny looking artworks. Which will bring me to my next topic. You should never use clip art. Instead, use professional imaging. You also want to pick and keep the same theme throughout the whole presentation. You don't want anybody losing interest in the audience due to the theme causing confusion. For the same reason, you want to keep your slides as simple as possible as well. You don't want to lose focus from your audience. You should only have one topic per slide with 6 or less objects on each slide. And you should limit the use of bullet points on those slides. The more audiences actually have to read, the less likely they will read, which means they're not getting the information they need from that slide. The next step is a little harder, and it might take some practice. When you are putting together your presentation, you need to put together an elegant show and show restraint and clarity about your project. You need to reevaluate your slides and, if need be, eliminate or omit any excess information on the slides or remove the excess slides altogether. After you have successfully laid out a productive presentation, here comes the hard part, actually giving the presentation. I suggest practicing multiple times before the big day. The more comfortable you are with your presentation, the more natural and relaxed you'll feel during the presentation. It will take some time and practice to look natural, like you're talking with friends instead of a room full of strangers. Just remember, you're going for a naturalness, not perfection. It's okay if you mess up. You just move on and keep going, and soon enough you'll be walking into crowds as if they were your best friends all along. Well, that's about it. PowerPoint does not have to be complicated. I told you I would show you how to streamline your presentations and how to properly lay out a good PowerPoint presentation so people would actually want to be there. And I'm showing you how to have an elegant but effective presentation as well. So now that you have seen that there's another way to do presentations, I just have to ask, do you? Do you expect great things from yourself in the future?